Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the review channel. Today for you, if you want a cheap addition to your YouTube studio, I have it right here for you. It's the Tolifo video photo camera light, and we'll start right after this. Okay, I recently purchased this from Amazon. I'll show you that. Okay. Lost my place. Okay, there it is, the Tolifo PT64 LED camera camcorder light panel mount on DSLR DV video camera with daylight 5600 Kelvin portable dimmer camera camcorder LED panel video. That's a mouthful. Okay, you can see here that it's 64. Let me move this up a little. Okay, you can see here that there's 64 LEDs on it. Okay, and it has a cold shoe. Okay, which means it can be mounted on any camera that has a camera mount on the top of it, or any bracket that has a camera mount on it. Okay, picture of the back. Here you can see you have half full power switch. You have the power on switch, and of course the big compartment is for the batteries. It comes with two. You can use it with no filter. Okay, it has a a beige filter, and it has a white filter to diffuse the light. Okay, I would recommend it with a diffuser on it. I think the white filter is more for daylight. I think the yellow filter would be more for outside. Okay, if you were shooting outside, but it doesn't say, so we'll take a look at it. Okay, so here again, this is the product. Okay. Yeah, I know you're not going to be able to see this, but it says it's high brightness, long life, portable, easy to install, widely applicable. Okay, it's supplied by 4 pieces of AA batteries, not included. Okay, has a shoe design, a cold shoe design. The diffusion is replaceable, and a wide application for photography and videography. Now, some of the specs on it are 64 LEDs, voltage is 4 to 6 volts, average lifespan 30,000 hours, that's good, 800 lux illumination, color reading index 85%, I don't know what that is, power is 6 watts, has natural ventilation, color temperature. On here it says 5300 Kelvin. On the website it says 5600 Kelvin. Has a 60-degree beam angle, and the color switch is between 5300 Kelvin and 3200 Kelvin. So it's high and the low. Okay, and the application for it is photo or video cameras. Okay, so you can see here you can mount it. You can mount it on a camera or a camcorder. All right, let's open this puppy up. Let's see what we got. Okay, we have a little photo video light user manual. Okay. It is all in English. Surprise, surprise. Okay. Well, a form of English. Okay. Excuse me. Basically, just what I read to you from the outside of the package. Okay, the product itself, in a little plastic bag here that I'll open up. It has the yellow diffuser on it, and it comes with the white diffuser already installed. And you can see here it has a cold shoe. So if you put this on the camera's hot shoe, nothing will happen. Okay. All right, get rid of this stuff. All right, and now I have to load this. It takes 4 AA batteries, so I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, I'm back. There's the unit. I have the batteries installed in it, as you can see. Okay, and I'm going to power this baby on. That is pretty bright. Okay, I can drown out my camera with this. Okay, the test will be, is it bright enough to use just this light? Okay, so I'm going to pause it once again, and I'm going to shut off my lights and use just this, and we'll see how good it is. Okay, I have now shut off my studio lights. I have 2 studio lights, one over here and one over there, okay, that shine on me. And now we're going to see if we can do this with just this. So, wow, that is bright. Okay, at this range, okay, I think I should turn it down to half brightness. So that would be here, full brightness, half brightness. Okay. Okay, in a selfie situation, this is much too bright, much too bright. Let's see if I can get this over here, but off camera. Now remember, this is at half power. Okay, so let me shut this off. Let me take the damn. Okay, so now we're back. You can see the power of this. This is full power on this. Okay, this is half power. Okay, and then of course we have the white diffuser in front of it. We have the yellow diffuser in front of it. Okay, so I would say you cannot use this like a ring light for up close videos like I'm making here with this webcam. Okay, even if I were using a DSLR with a ring light. Okay, they are a lot less powerful than this. Okay, so I will put the description to this. Remember, this is a Tolifo photo video light camera. I would say if you're outside in dim light conditions, this would work wonderful. Okay, because it is so bright. Okay, but not to do a selfie with. It's just way too close. Okay, the power on this is pretty phenomenal. Okay, and if you were shooting, if you were a photographer shooting a video or shooting a subject that was at a normal distance away, 5-10 feet, okay, I'd say it'd probably be fine. Okay, but up close like this, where I am like 2 feet from the camera, way too bright. So there's my review of this light. I like it. I'm going to keep it. Okay, I like the cold shoe design, for one thing. I like the high and low beam, and I like the fact that it's battery operated, so I don't have to plug it in anywhere. I hope this review found found a place in your heart. Okay, if you need any of this equipment, now right up here I'll put a link, okay, to my how to set up your YouTube Studio playlist, and we will then you'll be able to go on there and see all the items that I review that apply strictly to YouTubers. Okay, nothing that I have reviewed is very expensive. Okay, but it does a tremendous job, every single one of them. So maybe I'll do another video on this about hooking up to my SL2 DSLR, taking some video with it, and see how it works in that respect. But that's all for this this video. And so until next time, this is John Bell signing off, saying remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell notification so you get it in your inbox. Until next time, John Bell signing off. This is John Bell again, thanking you for watching reviews. If you watch this on Facebook, please like it. If you've seen this on YouTube, please subscribe. And until next time, this is John Bell signing off, thanking you again.